TVma, the T Houston blogger here. Finally, guys, I've got the lady of the hour. I've got the director, Shameka Crawford, on her movie premiere, The Conversion. Baby, if I could shed a tear right now, that movie was moving, honey. I didn't want it to end, and I didn't want it to end the way that it did. I'm ready for part two.
Exactly. You're not the first. I'm so, elated to hear that because that's the effect that I wanted to have on people. I wanted them to crave for more. And so there definitely will be a continuation.
Yay! But guess what I heard, honey? Somebody rated it 1,000 thumbs up.
Wow. Who that be?
Okay. Guys, you heard it from Shameka Crawford. Shameka, this story has reached a lot of women, and it's not done because it needs to reach over the world.
Right.
What would you like to say to those women that can be benefited from watching this movie and changing their life through the conversion?
I would like to let the women know out there in the world that you are beautiful, you are more than enough, you are valuable, you don't have to settle for less, and whatever it is that you're suppressing on the inside of you, that thing that you've been trying to hide, that's the thing that God wants to deal with so that we can give you a full healing, not just a temporary fix, but a full healing. And so I just want to reach my women and empower them and let them know that you a boss, boo.
You a boss. You heard it here first, guys. You heard it here.
So
guys,
it's time for change. Say it again. Time for change.
That's right. It's time for you to meet the conversion, honey. Guys, you've been traveling with Houston blogger TVma the T. I can't even say it tonight. I'm so excited. And director, honey, Shameka Crawford. Guys, we're out. Make sure you get to Vimeo.com on demand and search up The Conversion, as well as search up Shameka Crawford if you want to get the know and get the tea about The Conversion. We shed a little bit too much. I mean, because you know what? Marlo says a lot, and I don't want to spill it here. Get to Vimeo so you can catch it. That's it, guys. We're out.
Yes.
Hey guys, you're now traveling with TVma the T. Today we're out in the Ensemble Theater deep in the heart of Houston, Texas. I am actually at a movie premiere today, and today we're here featuring the movie The Conversion by Shameka Crawford, the director. Right now I have one of the actors in the movie. He is actually a father in the movie. Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is C.D. Bolden. I'm actually a local pastor here in the city, as well as a commentator throughout the city as well.
Awesome. So can you tell us what we can expect from you in this movie?
I'm actually just a father encouraging my daughter, spending some quality time with her. We believe in fishing, but being fishermen of men. So just giving her an opportunity, giving the ground roots that she'll actually use when she grow up as she gets older in life.
I heard that, honey, and every little girl needs a father. We can't wait to check out the premiere of The Conversion, and we can't wait to see your part in it, Bishop. Thank you for speaking with us today. You're welcome. At the Ensemble Theater, you're now traveling with TVma the T. Today, I have with me
Cheryl Orbit.
and today we're out here to see the new short film, The Conversion, directed by Shameka Crawford. Tell me, what are your expectations for the film tonight?
I think it's going to be a lot of drama. I've seen the preview, so I'm kind of excited about that. He hasn't seen the preview, but I did. So.
He hasn't seen a preview.
I haven't seen anything about it. I don't know.
Ooh, so you and I are going to be on the same page because this is going to be my first time as well. Guys, you've been traveling with Houston blogger TVma the T. I'm going to get your tea, honey, after the film so I can see what you thought about it. Sounds like, I think
it's going to be good.
I think it's going to be a vibe, too. Thank you guys for stopping by, and nice red walk, honey. All right. Hey guys, you're traveling with TVma the T, Houston blogger here. We're out at the new short film movie, The Conversion, and today I have with me a couple of actors who appeared in the short film, honey, directed by Shameka Crawford. Hi, come on up, we're a family. You may have seen him before on Action One Media, honey, and also you've seen her on Action One Media. This is my Action One Media family. Guys, please introduce yourself and tell the community what role you played in the movie.
Okay, well, I am so real. And the role I played was actually Jason. I actually played the friend of the actual main character, who's actually played by Shameka Crawford.
Awesome.
And my name is Miley B, and I just played the little bougie crazy girl that was in the club that was going off on somebody behind her. So
Wait a minute, honey. Now, wait a minute. Now, that was a mouthful because I didn't get all of that tea when I got the synopsis earlier. So, you know what? I definitely want to see your role in the movie. Guys, what are your expectations about the movie so far?
I mean, it's been a big build up. I'm actually proud of Shameka what she did with this, and I'm actually seeing how the people respond to it.
I know that's right.
well, I was just thankful to be in the right place at the right time and to be able to play part in the movie. So I'm just thankful for that. And I know it's going to be excellent.
I know that's right. Guys, thank you for your time and thank you for traveling with TVma the T. Enjoy the movie, guys. I can't wait to see you guys in it. We'll be right back out here at the short film, The Conversion. And today we have a lot of patrons that's expecting the new movie to come out. Today I have, what's your name?
Victoria.
Victoria. And are you excited about the movie, The Conversion?
Absolutely am.
Okay, so what do you know about it so far? Give me the tea.
I don't have the tea.
Have you seen the trailer? Somebody just gave me the trailer, honey, and it sounded so juicy. I cannot wait.
Well, I knew it was from bitter to better, and I went through that process, so I know what that looks like.
Look at God. Look at God. And that's right.
Handy.
Handy. And what are your expectations of the movie today?
I have no idea. My sister invited me, so I'm going to be surprised.
I'll give you a little snippet. The story I heard from a little birdie, it's about a young woman who's going through some things and she's learning to overcome in her journey. So it sounds like it's going to be full of drama, honey. So does that excite you?
Sure it does.
I know that's right. I'm going to get y'all tea after the show and figure out what you thought about it. All right, y'all enjoy yourself. Help yourself. Say that again.
You have to be victorious at the end. With overcoming a lot of obstacles, nothing but victorious, right?
You are absolutely right, honey. Enjoy yourself. I'll talk with you soon. That's right, guys. We have to be victorious in the end. Guys, you're traveling with TVma the T. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. Traveling with TVma the T. We're out here at the Ensemble Theater and you're traveling with Houston blogger TVma the T. We're out here to see the short film The Conversion. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Freddie.
And where are you from?
I'm from Milwaukee, but I moved here when I was 16.
Oh, you're from Milwaukee. Okay. And what's your name? Latisha. Beautiful name. And where are you from?
From Milwaukee, but we've been living here since 2006.
Okay, well, I mean, you're not newbie, so you're Houstonian. Okay, so tell me, what do you expect to see in the film today, The Conversion? Have you seen the trailer?
Yes, I saw the trailer. I'm just wondering what's going to happen. And it just seems like it's going to be all over the place.
Wait a minute. How did I miss this trailer, honey? I heard the trailer was fire. So am I going to be excited? Am I going to be out of my seat, at the edge of my seat?
I think so. I think they had a good time.
I can't wait. What do you think?
I think it's going to be very exciting. I think it's going to be suspenseful. I think it's going to be a lot of twists and turns. So I'm eager to see it.
I'm eager to see it too. Shout out to the director, Shameka Crawford, on her first feature film. And guys, we can't wait. This is a long journey coming. Hey guys, Houston blogger here, TVma the T. I'm at the Ensemble Theater for the short film, The Conversion. And today I have one of the actors with me. I heard you was cutting up, Damian Valentine. Tell me, what did you play in this part of the film?
Well, in this film I play a man that shows a little love but also shows a little hurt to the woman. So I'm not going to give y'all too much, but I know that ladies out there, you got that man that feels so good, but he also is so bad for you. That's me.
Oh my God, I don't know if I should like you right now or if I should hate you right now. That is...
You should do a little both.
You know what? I can't wait to see this. You've given me so much tea. I heard the movie is fire. So we're going to see how you did in your role, and I'm going to talk with you later. So enjoy yourself. Hey world, you're now traveling with Houston blogger TVma the T. I have with me today
Dixie Jones.
Dixie Dixie Jones. Honey, I just got your tea, and you've known Shameka for a very long time.
I have. I've known her and watched her grow, watched her children grow, and watched her art grow. So proud of her.
I know when I first met Shameka, I heard her rapping. I didn't know she could rap.
Yes. And have you heard her poetry?
I haven't heard her poetry, so she's a florist too, huh?
She's a designer, a hair designer. She's just got the whole gamut.
She's a guru, honey. That's what we call. So what are you expecting about the movie today? I heard it's going to be fire.
Yes, the little clip I saw, I know it's relationship based, and I can tell just by the little clip I saw, it's we make poor choices relationship clip. We've all been there.
We've all been there.
I quit making choices because I don't choose well. So I'm so much happier by myself.
I know that's right. Well, I can't say I'm happy by myself because I'm happily married, but hey, before that, some poor choices over here.
Yeah.
So this movie is going to give us a little bit of tea. It's about overcoming and going through that journey of trials and tribulations. Hey guys, you're now traveling with TVma, the T Houston blogger here. Guess who I have in the building with me today, honey? I have the beautiful Cole Rose. First of all, Cole, I saw you in this movie, but baby, you are giving me life with this style. Can't nobody do it like Cole Rose, baby. Can't nobody do it like Cole. Can you explain to the audience about your role in the movie?
Yes, my role. So I be grabbing the mic. I'm the assistant to Shameka Crawford, which is Patience. But in the movie, she is Marlo, and I'm her assistant. And I'm just happy-go-lucky, myself. And I think I touched her heart in that movie. Be happy.
But you know what? Y'all need a round two. I need a part 2 to this movie, honey. I need a sequel because y'all can't end us like that. My mouth is dropped. So give me the tea. Y'all doing a part 2?
I don't know, but Patience said we're gonna take over the world, so y'all just stay tuned.
Baby, just let me blog it, honey. You heard that, guys. You've been traveling with TVma, the T. Guys, you don't want to go nowhere. We'll be right back. TVma, the T Houston blogger here. We just watched the movie The Conversion. What did you think about it? First of all, what's your name and where you're from?
I'm Caitlin, and I'm from Houston, Texas.
What did you think about the movie The Conversion?
It was really, really good. I really liked it a lot.
What was your best part about the movie?
When she was talking to the man that was changing her heart, and how he softened her heart and showed her that the world's more than what she was seeing.
What's her name? Marlo, baby. Marlo speaks, baby. She had a lot to say in this movie. This movie was very inspirational. It really moved the audience. This is a coming movie. So if you're going through something and you're looking for The Conversion, you need to go to Vimeo.com and download the movie. How many thumbs up should we rate this movie?
1,000.
I was going to say 2 thumbs up as the max, but she said 1,000. I think we could find 1,000 people to give it a 2 thumbs up. Guys, you've been traveling with TVma, the T. We'll be right back. Girl, you're now traveling with TVma, the T Houston blogger in the building. We are at the Ensemble Theater, and we have just closed out the premiere of Shameka Crawford's movie, The Conversion. Ladies, first of all, what's your name? Where are you from?
Well, I'm Princess. I'm from Houston.
All right, Princess. All right.
I'm Queen Victoria.
Queen in the building. Ladies, Princess, what did you think about the movie?
I'm so proud of Shameka. She did an awesome job, especially her first film. Just keep going first, and you got it, girl. You got it.
I know that's right, y'all. I almost had a tear at the end. Queen, what you thought about it?
I My thoughts are it's an excellent storyline. It really shows how you can go from bitter to being better. She really took her time in the film to really emphasize that when you're really hurt, how hurt people go out and hurt other people. She was resorting to drinking, and then she eventually met somebody who connected. So it's really important to make divine connections, spiritual connections with the right person. Because she was dating other guys, but it was the wrong spirit.
Ooh, and especially that one guy.
Yes. And he wasn't nothing but about sex. He was cute, but he was about sex.
Baby.
Finally met somebody who really was a divine connection that led her back to God. And that's what we need, somebody who really is rooted in the Lord to be able to connect with. That way she was able to get off of the alcohol and turn her life around. So it was an awesome storyline.
You know what? That could be so many women's story that resonates, not only in this city or this community, but all over the world. I think this speaks volumes. I don't know about y'all, but did y'all have a tear in your eye at the end?
I was hoping he came out the coma though. I was like, I really did. I was just hoping that he was gonna survive that.
I think we saying too much, y'all. Hey, if you want to see the movie, you need to go to Vimeo.com on demand and order it. You can look up The Conversion as well as put in Shameka Crawford's name. Guys, we gave you a little bit of tea, but to get the real juicy tea, you need to see the movie. It is definitely, somebody earlier said it was rated 1,000 thumbs up. So, you heard it here, guys. We gave it 2 thumbs up. Guys, get to Vimeo On Demand. Guys, thank you for stopping by. Y'all have a beautiful night. Guys, you've been traveling with TVma the T. Don't go nowhere. We'll be right back. I'm going to try to get the director. Keep it locked. Hey guys, you've been traveling with TVma the T, Houston blogger here. Finally, guys, I've got the lady of the hour. I've got the director, Shameka Crawford, on her movie premiere, The Conversion. Baby, if I could shed a tear right now, that movie was moving, honey. I didn't want it to end, and I didn't want it to end the way that it did. I'm ready for part 2.
Exactly. You're not the first. I'm so, elated to hear that, because that's the effect that I wanted to have on people. I wanted them to crave for more.
Yes.
Guys, thank you for tuning in. You've been traveling with TVma the T, Houston blogger here. If you need a local Houston blogger to blog your event, please get to the blog today, tvmathet.wordpress.com.